I think people are looking backwards now on Facebook and saying, well, it worked there so far, therefore let's let other companies get away with it. But I think it's a really bad structure. I think it doesn't allow the board of directors to have complete governance. And the job of the board is to hire or fire the CEO. And you effectively create a dictatorship.
But how do you is that why you think Snap is a vulnerable company? That's what you said in the interview beforehand. You think Snap's vulnerable?
I think Snap is in an exciting space, but it's very competitive, and it could be transient. All the things that attract people to Snap. Whenever you have a consumer software company, which I think Snap is, not an enterprise software company, you rarely get an Apple, and you frequently get a company that sort of loses attention from consumers over time. Snap really is a very tight set of customers, age demographic, type of user. How many of you use Snap?
I did for a little bit, and then I got bored of it.
Yeah, well, you're aging out of Snap.
We do it to monitor our
exactly.
kids. Yeah.
What you just said is very interesting, though, because, I mean, maybe dating myself a little bit here, but are we sort of reliving the hype of the 1980s specialty retail companies? If you remember, there were all these companies, malls were the greatest thing, and there were all these companies that came public, and they're all gone because it was the whim of the teenager or the whim of the shopper, the whim of the consumer, and they found something better, and they're all now gone. Is that kind of what's going on here with the Snaps and everything else?
Well, in the commerce space, Amazon won everything. They won big, and they have a lot of specialty commerce there. So specialty commerce wasn't a bad idea. The timing was pretty bad because we didn't really have the internet as a platform.
Right.
And our job as venture capitalists is to be exuberant about the future. We try to tone it down.
Right.
We've learned that over-exuberance is a really bad thing.
Yeah.
But commerce and specialty commerce turned out to be great. And many companies survived. Priceline is
no, but I'm talking about from the 80s, way back. I mean, if you think about Charming Shops is the one that comes to mind for me.
She wasn't around in the 80s.
That's what I'm saying. I'm dating myself.
She doesn't,
I'm dating myself.
Is Amazon's valuation today justified?
I believe so. I think Amazon is a one-of-a-kind company. It's not a singular product company. It continues to march into new spaces. They have tons of people there working on artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is the big hot new space of technology that changes everything. They certainly know how to operate commerce. They created the modern cloud with Amazon Web Services, and that is a rapidly growing and very profitable business.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.